Today, I will show you a brand new money-making app that will pay you money for every single ad that popped up on your screen. I mean every single ad. If you watch just one ad, literally, you will earn $1.22. If you watch 10 ads, you will earn $1.12 doing nothing. Then let's do it. The first step is to enter the name of this app, ADDslice, into the Google search bar. Then just click on the first result here, or you can also just go to ADDslice.com. Now this is the app that we are going to be using for today. As it says, you browse and we pay. Basically, get paid for watching ads. And before you go to sign up and try it yourself, make sure you first watch the whole video, as I will show you all the details you will need to know. Otherwise, you are not going to make any money. I have also tried this myself. Unfortunately, this app is not available for mobile phones yet. Hopefully they will do that sooner, but now it's available for web and worldwide. So basically, you will have to download this plug in extension. And by having this extension on it will show banner ads on websites that you visit. Let me even real quick show you an example of how these ads will look like. I have the extension on, and if I go to youtube.com, for example, you will see here that it's showing me this banner ad from ADDslice, and this is how it works. You will have similar ads on every website you visit, and more ads, more money you will make. Of course, you don't even have to click on these ads to earn money. There is more information about them on the website. You can just scroll down and get yourself more familiar with that. You want to click here where it says Add to Chrome, and it will then take you to Chrome Web Store, and to add the extension to your computer. Just hit Add to Chrome. As you can see, they already have over 50,000 users and about 800 positive reviews. So after you click Add to Chrome, just click on Add Extension. As you can see here, it has been added now. Now we have installed the extension. There are only 2 steps left. You will need to create an account and then connect the extension. By the way, ADDslice is very new and not so many people know about it yet. I think you better take advantage of it. Just click sign up, and then you can just sign up here using your email and password. And agree to the terms of service, then just verify your email. And this is how your dashboard will look like. After sign up, you will win 10 free slices. The first step here is to connect your extension. To do that, just click connect and then follow the other steps. So it's done. Before we continue, please give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment with your country and your thoughts below. So this is how your dashboard will look like. It will display some information about your account and your transaction history, like the amount of ads you have seen and also how much you have withdrawn. Overall, this is ideal for beginners because no skills or experience are required. All you have to do is install the extension. And that's it. It will show ads and you earn free money. You also have the payout tab over here, and this is where you can start cashing out your money. Your earn will also depend on what country you're from, and it's also work all around the world. So you can withdraw your money using PayPal or Bitcoin, and you can just select your country from here. Using PayPal here is that they take 4% of your earnings as a fee, so I would recommend using Bitcoin. But it's up to you, and if you like, you can also read here more about how you get paid and when they send payments and stuff like that. But the greatest thing about this is that the minimum payout is only 35 cents. That's awesome. Actually, there is also other ways to make money with this app, especially if you are a gamer. If you go to Creator tab, you can see that. You can actually connect your Twitch account to this app. Through that, you also make money by people viewing ads on your stream. So this is a great way to make even more money if you create contents. If that's something you are interested in, you can read more about it down here. So if we go to Crew tab, you can see that it says, invite your friend, and you will receive 1,000 slices for when they have been active for 30 days, and your friends will also earn 100 slices for free. Through that, you can also earn money by inviting other people. Connections tab is where you can actually add more browsers if you want to. I only have one Google Chrome browser, but I can always add more from here. Then guys, let's see what other users think about this platform. Just check out some reviews on different platforms, such as Trustpilot, even though ADDslice is fairly new. It still has quite a lot of reviews. They have an average score ratio of 4.6 out of 5 stars. As you can see, 75% of the reviews are 5 stars, and 18% are 4-star reviews. so most reviews are positive. You can see here what other people are saying about it. This is just to show you what other people are thinking about it and to see if it's really worth your time or not. Some even will say here how much they earn, and if I would have to rate this myself, I would definitely give it at least 9 out of 10. Because even though you are not going to make thousands of dollars with this, but the money you make is completely free. You literally have to do installing the extension, and there is nothing else to do. It also doesn't take a long time to withdraw your money or anything like that. After you ask them to withdraw your money, you will receive it in less than 48 hours. Also, the minimum you can withdraw is only 35 cents, like I said before. This is excellent app, definitely worth it for me. The only downside is the PayPal fees, which is what most people like to use. But you still have Bitcoin right here as a solution. So now you guys know how this app works. If you are using more than one browser in your computer, you can also add the extension to all of them, so you can maximize your earnings from it. This is a great opportunity for you guys. It's beginner-friendly and also completely free, and let me know in the comments if there is any questions. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Then thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.